On today's video, I'm going to show you why you get lumps in your hair. Often when we put our hair up in a ponytail or a bun, just up like this, we will get lumps in our hair like this. Little sections that are kind of separated, lumps that'll like part, and often one side is worse than the other. So for me, it happens more on this side. I often don't have any lumps on this side, and I do on this side. So I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and how you can stop it. So the reason it happens is we start putting our hair up, and when we're brushing our hair, all of the hair is not necessarily going in the same direction, meaning going along up into the bun or the ponytail, whatever we're making. Some of the hair might be going in different directions, might be going down a little bit more, it might be going more straight back, whatever. And then what happens is it ends up falling away, making lumps, making bumps, making parts that come apart and look like they're trying to section themselves. The main reason that this happens, you can see I've got one back here right now. The main reason this happens is we're not keeping our brush against our head all the way back to the hair. So usually what we're doing, let's start from scratch, is we pull the hair up and we'll start to brush, and our brush starts against our head, but then it comes into the hair, right? And now it's not against my head anymore, it's just in my hair. And now when I grab my ponytail with my hand, that hair on the surface was put in the right direction, but the other hair underneath was not, because I didn't keep the brush all the way to my head. I kept the brush to my head here, and then I floated it away in my hair, but then only that top section of hair got smoothed, and the hair underneath didn't, and now it's falling down and creating a lump. So what you want to do is make sure you keep that brush all the way against your scalp until you reach where the hair is going in the ponytail. Make sure you keep it all the way against the scalp, all the way against the scalp the whole time, and you won't get any lumps. Now, the reason it typically happens more on one side than the other, I typically don't get it on this side. This is my good side. This is the side of my hand, and I just naturally keep my hair, or my hairbrush rather, to my head on this side because it's comfortable to do so. It is more uncomfortable to reach around my head and do it on this side. So I'm more likely to come away from my head as I get further back where my head rounds and not keep it to my scalp. But I have to consciously make an effort to keep it to my scalp, and I do feel that in my muscle. It does make my arms start to hurt, but if you do that, you will get smooth finish on both sides every time. I hope that helps you get smoother, sleeker buns and ponytails if you typically struggle with getting lumps and bumps in your hair, and that this tip might be the one that finally helps you fix that problem. Let me know in the comments if you try this out and if it was the solution that fixed your problem. I love to hear from you guys down there in those comments. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.